You've finished recording. And now the boring part starts. Where did that file go? Open the folder, sort by date, recognize the right one from the timestamp in its name, open your editor, import, drag to the timeline. Every single time. It's not hard. It's that you do it 100 times a year, and it interrupts you exactly when your idea is still fresh. In this video, we connect OBS to Magic Automa and make that part disappear. The recording ends, and the file is already in your edit. And while we're at it, we put scenes, microphone, and overlays under your fingers. First thing, and you do it once. OBS has a built-in command channel, but it ships switched off. You turn it on in Tools, WebSocket Server Settings, tick at the top, Apply. That's also where port and password live, the same ones you put into Magic Automa's OBS settings. And now the button that removes all doubt, Test Connection. See? It answers and tells you which OBS version is talking. For now, on Magic Automa and OBS, talk directly. No simulated clicks, no window to keep in front. It works with OBS minimized to the tray. The everyday actions, the ones you use while you're live. Scene switch. You give the scene name as written in OBS. Done. Source visibility. Show, hide, or toggle. The camera box coming and going with one key. Microphone. Mute, unmute, or volume in decibels. And here's the honest bit of this video. If all you need is switching scenes, great free tools already exist, and you may already own one. The difference is elsewhere. Here, one macro can do two things at once. Look at Be Right Back. It switches the scene and mutes the mic because those are the two things you always have forget. And then there's what the others don't do, and that's the next chapter. This is the heart of it. The recording action, when you stop it, doesn't just stop it. It hands you the path of the file it just saved. You put that into a variable. I'll call it clip, and from then on the next actions in the macro know where that file is. Look at the second action. The file field has no hand-type path. It has @clip. The @ sign means use that variable. Write it down because curly brackets won't work. Run. OBS closes the recording. Magic Automa waits for the file to be properly written, a detail that sounds like nothing and is actually everything, because a half-written file is one your editor won't take, and hands it to DaVinci. There it is in the media pool and on the timeline. From a stop button to an open edit, 0 manual steps. And the very same pattern works with Premiere or with whatever else you want to do. Copy it to a drive, upload it somewhere, rename it with today's date. What else is in the box? On-screen text. Change what your overlay says on the fly. The current topic, your guest's name, the song title. Replay. Save the last seconds, and, just like the recording, you get the clip path back. The I'm keeping this one button. A scene screenshot, which is a thumbnail of that exact moment without leaving the stream. Studio mode, with the transition that sends the preview live. Filters to switch on and off, the chroma key, the mic gate. And if something isn't there, there's the advanced action that speaks to OBS with any command in its protocol. To recap, you switch the channel on in OBS once. The live actions go under your fingers wherever you prefer. Keyboard, tablet, deck, even your voice. Macros do several things at once, so you don't leave the mic muted. And above all, when you stop the recording, you no longer go looking for the file. It arrives where you're editing. What used to take 5 steps is now one key.